different to anything I've done previously. My background is more admin based, and so this has been on the tools, more practical, so it gives me more skills. Well, my background, as I just said, is admin in office work, including management level, so it's going back as a trainee. It's given me a complete new skill set which I didn't have before. I come to site, help set up everybody with, because I've got the van dropping their stuff off. I paint, I prep work, undercoat, and that's basically it. Also the first aider on site. So. Yes, it's given me a lot of practical skills that I didn't have previously, and working as part of a team where I have before, but more in admin basis, is more a practical role. So it's more about helping each other do the same role rather than varying roles. To progress on with Trainee Enterprise after the apprenticeship trainee role, hopefully gain enough skills and there's more opportunities there. Go for it. It's an experience. You know, you're getting training, skills, and someone to help you progress in the future employment.